First, here's a list of 10 moral values you might want. 1. Honesty. 2. Kindness. 3. Respect. 4. Responsibility. 5. Fairness. 6. Compassion. 7. Gratitude. 8. Courage. 9. Humility. 10. Integrity. Here's a clear list of the fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution, as of now. 1. Right to equality, Articles 14-18. Equality before law, prohibition of discrimination, equal opportunity, abolition of untouchability and titles. 2. Right to freedom, Articles 19-22. Freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Also, protection and respect of conviction for offences and personal liberty. 3. Right against exploitation, Articles 23-24. Prohibition of human trafficking, forced labour, and child labour. 4. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25-28. Freedom of conscience, profession, practice, and propagation of religion. 5. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29-30. Rights of minorities to conserve their culture, language, and establish educational institutions. 6. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Right to move the Supreme Court and High Courts for enforcement of fundamental rights through writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, etc. Here are the 11 fundamental duties of Indian citizens as per Article 51 of the Constitution of India, added by the 42nd Amendment, 1976 and 86th Amendment, 2002-1. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. 2. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national freedom struggle. 3. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. 4. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. 5. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India. 6. To value and preserve the rich heritage of India's composite culture. 7. To protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife. 8. To develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. 9. To safeguard public property and to avoid violence. 10. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. 11. To provide opportunities for education to children between the age of 6 and 14 years, added by the 86th Amendment.